Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the professional cordless clippers for men set. Stainless steel blades are both durable and accurate when it comes to hair trimming and cutting. This option right here comes with just that to ensure the best performance possible during your work. With it, you will be able to cut and groom the hair easily and fast, which is simply great. This professional clipper works precisely and smoothly without building up too much heat that causes discomfort at all. Another thing that we like about this professional clipper is that there are 4 detachable combs that it comes with. Each comb offers different cutting lengths to meet your need and style for the best experience possible. Plus, with the fast and easy charging, using this clipper is so convenient and comfortable. Not to mention the ergonomic handle with firm grip. This option is one of a kind. Let's take a look and see if this is the professional clipper that you like. Moving on, at number 4, we have the professional clippers for hair cutting kit. The convenience is all yours when you have this versatile professional clipper right here. The cool thing is that you can use either with or without the cord, and the performance are both great. Its battery life lasts up to 3 hours and a half per charge, and you can also it while charging. On top of that, this clipper features the self-sharp stainless steel blades to ensure long-lasting sharpness. Another thing that we like about this tool is that its handle is anti-slip and comfortable to use. You can use it for hours, and you won't experience hand fatigue at all. This professional clipper also comes with LED display that you can easily see the battery life. That way, you will be able to know when to recharge this clipper right away, which is so convenient. There are 2 colors available, and the choice is all yours. At number 3, we have the professional cordless display with LED display. Since it functions about a hair clipper and beard trimmer, this all-in-one tool is so versatile to use. The thing that we like about it is the powerful motor that delivers thorough cut even with the thickest hair. At the same time, the teeth on the blades ensure that it can remove hair and beard without causing pain. You can use for all types of hair with both men and women, even children, which is so convenient. On top of that, this professional clipper has extremely long battery life that lasts up to 5 hours per charge. You will know when to recharge with the LED display that shows the battery percentage. This hair clipper is very ergonomic and comfortable, and it comes in a complete set for barbers. Since it is one of the best professional clippers with hundreds of purchases and positive reviews, you will not regret choosing it. At number 2, we have the professional hair clippers and trimmer for men. Every piece of attachment in this set is to ensure the most accurate and perfect results every time for you. With this profession clipper, you will be able to achieve sharp and smooth hair cutting and trimming with ease. The awesome thing about this option is that it comes with taper lever left. That allows you to change the closeness between the comb lengths with ease. That way, you will be able to get the perfect fade and blend just the way you like. Another thing that we like about this option is that this professional clipper features the durable all-metal housing. You can trust that it will not break or crack easily at all, while the ergonomic handle provides great comfort. This one comes in a package that includes 12 accessories, and everything is all set for you. With both performance and durability along with price, this is one high-quality set to have in mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the professional cordless hair clipper kit for men. Style is important, and that is one of the things that we like about this professional clipper set. As you can see, the exterior of this hair clipper features the cool vintage printing on the smooth surface. That does not bring out the character of the users but also style at the same time. Along with that, this hair clipper is also very comfortable and convenient to use. Its ergonomic design ensures that your hand won't experience any fatigue at all even during long hours use. Another cool thing about this professional clipper is the powerful and quiet performance that it delivers. This clipper is powerful enough to provide accurate and precise cut with very low noise for great convenience. At the same time, its battery life is also long as well to ensure long hours of use on a single charge. WTH both style and quality, this can be the professional clipper that you have been looking for. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.